Most people are still chasing the same three side hustles everyone talks about, and that is exactly why they are not making money. The apps that actually pay you every single day in 2026 are the ones nobody is posting about, because the people using them do not want the competition. I found 5 of them. Each one pays out daily. None of them require you to build an audience first. And the last one on this list is quietly paying some people more than their day job. Stay to the end, because I saved the highest earner for last. Let me be clear about what these are and are not. None of these are get-rich-quick schemes. They are real tools powered by AI that let one person do work that used to take a whole team, and they pay fast. The reason they are underrated is simple. They are not flashy, they do not have giant marketing budgets, and they solve boring problems that businesses pay real money to fix. Boring is where the money is. Let us get into it. Number 1 is a class of app that turns your voice into transcribed, cleaned, and structured data for companies that need it. Businesses are drowning in audio right now. Podcasts, sales calls, customer interviews, webinars, YouTube videos. All of that audio has to become searchable text before anyone can use it. And while raw AI transcription is cheap, accurate transcription with speaker labels, timestamps, and clean formatting is not. Apps in this category route you those jobs. The AI does the first pass in seconds, and your job is to run a fast quality check and fix the handful of words the model got wrong. You are not typing for hours anymore. You are editing for minutes. People doing this are clearing $40 to $80 a day working part-time in the gaps of their schedule, and payouts hit daily or every few days. The trick that separates the people making real money from the people making pennies is specialization. Pick one niche, like medical, legal, or technical audio. Get fast at that vocabulary, and you become worth double the generalist rate. But the second app is where the volume really lives. Number 2 is AI-powered microtask platforms that pay you to make AI smarter. Every major AI model you have ever used was trained partly by regular people rating responses, ranking answers, and flagging bad outputs. In 2026, that demand has exploded because every company now has its own model to fine-tune. These platforms hand you short tasks. Compare 2 AI answers and pick the better one. Rate whether a response is helpful and safe. Write a better version of a weak reply. Each task takes 1 to 3 minutes and pays anywhere from a few cents to a couple of dollars depending on difficulty. The reason this beats old-school survey sites is that the pay per hour is genuinely competitive now, often $15 to $25 an hour for the skilled tiers, and the good platforms cash you out daily. Here is the insider move. These platforms have skill tiers, and the top tiers pay 2 to 3 times the base rate. You unlock them by passing qualification tasks in areas like coding, math, or writing. Spend your first week qualifying instead of grinding low-tier work, and you permanently raise your ceiling. Most people never bother, which is exactly why they stay stuck at the bottom. Number 3 flips the script entirely, because instead of you doing tasks, the AI does the work, and you keep the margin. Number 3 is AI design and content apps that let you sell finished products on demand. Think about what a small business actually needs every week. Social media graphics, product descriptions, ad copy, logos, thumbnails, email newsletters. They used to hire a freelancer or an agency for all of it. Now there are apps where you type a short brief. The AI generates a polished, on-brand result, and you deliver it. You are not the artist. You are the operator who knows how to get a great result out of the tool and package it professionally. A single small business client paying you $200 a month for weekly graphics costs you maybe 30 minutes of work a week using these apps. Land 7 of those clients, and you have crossed $2,000 a month in near-passive income, and the platforms that host these gigs release your earnings daily or weekly. The people winning here are not the most creative. They are the most consistent. They pick one deliverable, one type of client, and they send 20 outreach messages a day until the clients stack up. That is the whole game. But if doing client work sounds like too much, number 4 requires almost no human interaction at all. Number 4 is AI-driven print-on-demand and digital product apps that sell while you sleep. Here is how this actually works in 2026. You use an AI app to generate designs, patterns, or digital templates, planners, wall art, phone cases, t-shirt graphics, resume templates, Notion setups. You list them once on a marketplace, and every time someone buys, the product is printed and shipped automatically or delivered as a file, and the profit lands in your account. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service for the physical items. The AI has collapsed the hardest part, which was the design work, from days down to minutes. Someone with zero art skills can now generate 50 listing-ready designs in an afternoon. The daily pay angle comes from digital products specifically, because many marketplaces pay out on a rolling daily basis once you clear a minimum. The mistake almost everyone makes is listing 10 products and quitting when nothing sells. This is a volume and data game. The winners list 100. Watch which 3 actually sell, and then make 30 variations of those 3. The AI makes that iteration basically free. Now, number 5. This is the one quietly out-earning all the others. Number 5 is AI automation apps that build and sell workflows to businesses. This is the highest ceiling on the entire list, and it is the least crowded, because it sounds technical, even though it no longer is. Every business runs on repetitive tasks: copying data from emails into spreadsheets, sending follow-up messages, posting to social accounts, sorting customer requests. In 2026, there are no-code AI automation apps where you connect a few tools together, describe what you want in plain English, and the AI builds the workflow for you. You then sell that finished automation to a business owner who has no idea it only took you an hour. A single automation that saves a company 5 hours a week is easily worth $500 to $1,000, and many operators charge a monthly maintenance fee on top, which turns one build into recurring, daily accruing income. Here is why this is the earner to watch. You are not competing on price with a million other people. You are solving a specific, expensive, invisible problem, and the business owner cannot easily replace you because they do not understand what you built. The people doing this quietly are clearing more than their old salaries, and they started by automating one boring task for one local business. That is the entire origin story for most of them. So let me give you the one takeaway that ties all 5 together, because this is what actually matters. The money is not in the app. Anyone can download these apps. The money is in picking one, going narrow, and running it consistently, while everyone else app hops looking for a magic button that does not exist.